Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your brakes on a Nissan Altima. I think this goes from 2010 to 2017. I'm not sure about the loan, but this is the 2017 that I'm working on, and it's the same thing from 10 to 13, no, to 17. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. First, you got to take off the wheel, and it's going to be 21 millimeter to take off the wheel. Alright, take the wheel off. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is take out one of these. I'm gonna take off the top one, which is gonna be 14 millimeter right here, and I'm also gonna take out these. I have one right here. It's gonna be 19 millimeter, and another one right here. It's gonna be 19 millimeter. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and squeezing the caliper first. Alright, so I'm going to squeeze in the caliper. Alright, so caliper squeeze in. Now it's time to get that 14 millimeter. Take a 14 millimeter right there. That's what it looked like. And go ahead and lift this up like this. Alright, you can take the pads out. Alright, now it's time to get that 19 millimeter down here. And take that out. And what I'm going to take off now is the 19 millimeter. Alright, so I have a 19 wrench on it. I'm just going to hit it with a hammer. Like that. Just to get it loosened. And the same thing over the top. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and take out these. Alright. Alright, so now that's off. These are here. I'll put them back and show you what I take off. Alright. So this right here is one, and the other one right here is another one, and these are 19 millimeter, and that's what hold the caliper to the spindle. What? The spindle or knuckle? Forget what it named, but no, it's the spindle. So that's it. My caliper always squeeze in. Go ahead, hit the rotor with a hammer so it can come loose. Take that off. you can do this, the emergency brake. You can like spray it down so the dust come off. Okay. Alright, so this right here, you want to take out this rubber and just push it out. I just push on this right here. It'll come out, so you're gonna need this to put on the new one. Alright? And you can just go ahead and spray this down with some brake cleaner. That's it. Alright, so what you want to do now is spray down the rotor, brake cleaner. This way you get to clean off all the oil that they put on it to keep it from rust during storage. Alright, everything all nice and clean. Brake cleaner dry really quick, so you can let it air out and dry, or you can wipe it down, doesn't matter. Alright. Alright, so what you want to do is go ahead and put on this right here. Alright. And also you want to go ahead and put back this rubber right here. Alright, that's in tight. Now you want to go ahead and take this off. Just pull on it. And this way you can get to put like lubrication, like grease in here for the brakes, alright? Alright, so what I want to do is take this off. Put a little bit of grease in here. And also put some in this right here. You can put this on.
Oh yeah!
And same thing to this side. Take this off. Put a little bit of grease in here. Alright. Put some in here, alright? Alright, so now everything is good, so you want to go ahead and put this on right here. And you can clean the surface, alright? Just going on like this. So what you want to do is put this in. This. Alright. On. Catch back here 19mm. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up. Tighten this one down here too, alright?
Sure, that's the last tire.
Hmm?
That's the last tire. Hey, so what was the squeaking noise?
It's the same thing they told you, the rotor.
The rotor?
And
That
the
shit
pipe,
was
yeah.
bad as fuck. You went to school for this shit? When you were going to school, doing your little prom shit, you hated that shit. You hated getting up, going to work, doing that?
No, I actually like doing it.
You
so you don't need to take off these right here. You just need a flathead screwdriver. Take that out. Alright, so you want to go ahead and put these in. Alright. Sure the side with the wear indicator goes on the side where the piston push on, alright? Go on the back side. Screw that in, line it up. Once again, it's going to be 14 millimeter. Alright, that's it. Now it's time to put on your tires and go pump your brakes. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Help me help you. Alright guys, you want to pump the brakes like until you feel the pedal, so maybe like 5 to 10 times and you should feel the pedal feel firm at your foot. Alright, and then that's it guys. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Help me help you. See you next time. Alright.